Hey guys, it's Mia and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing plus setting up my new Apple Watch. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me on unboxing this and also setting it up. And so the reason why I had to get a whole new Apple Watch is because my other one had some issues, and so I decided to get a whole new one. So without further ado, let's get on with today's video. Okay, so my Apple Watch is the Apple Watch SE in the color silver aluminum, and that is my Apple Watch, and so let's get to unboxing. So let's open it up. I'm so excited, oh my god. Okay, let's just put all this on the floor. Okay. I think that's the band, I believe. Okay, let's open. Why is it not coming out? Oh my god. Here it is. That was not as satisfying as I thought it would be. Oh, that was satisfying. Okay, so this is the charger, and then here's what it looks like. There's that, and then here's the back. So let's put the band on it. Okay, let's get this. Oh, excuse me, I hiccuped, by the way. How can I there we go. See? Aha. And here. And here's the band. So let's put this on, shall we? Okay, let's. Whoa. Wait, that's on backwards. If I can. There we go. There we go. And the band is on the Apple Watch, and so let's now, since we got that covered, I'm going to now turn. Wait, I think I have to use my phone to set it all up. So I will be right back with me actually setting this thing up. So let's set the thing up now. Okay, so now I just got done with setting up my Apple Watch. It's all synced to my phone. It's all connected to my phone. And yeah, so this is what my Apple Watch looks like on my phone. It's so pretty and gorgeous. And yeah, so it's weird definitely having one on my wrist because I was so used to not having one on. And yes, it's weird. I'm so excited to be using this now. And yeah, so this is the theme of my Apple Watch. It's a Toy Story. So yeah, so I love Toy Story. I love those movies. And yeah, so obviously I had to pick Toy Story as like the theme for like the wallpaper, I guess. So yeah, so this is my Apple Watch. It's so freaking cute, and I will be using this 24/7. And yeah, but anyways, that is everything, and that is it for my video. So yeah, so I'm done with unboxing and setting it all up and everything, and yeah. So I think that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload a brand new video. And follow me on all my social medias, it'll be down below, and subscribe to my vlog channels, will be linked down below, and comment down below some videos that I can do on this channel and also my vlog channel. But with that being said, thanks for watching, I guess I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye guys.